Grip presents Professional Combination Wrench Sets, another useful product made for quality results. Wrenches are the standard workhorse of any toolbox. Having a quality set of wrenches gives you peace of mind when you are tackling any project. The Grip Combination Wrench Sets are made tough with drop-forged, heat-treated carbon steel that meets or exceeds ASME and ANSI standards. Every Grip Combination wrench has a V-cut open end and a 12-point boxed end to provide you solid contact when applying maximum torque. The ergonomic 15-degree offset provides your hands adequate clearance to help protect them from scratches and bruises in tight spots. When the job is done, the polished chrome plating makes it easy to wipe clean and avoid corrosion. Each set comes with its own custom storage pouch to keep them organized and easy to transport. Grip has the size you need, offering wrench sets spanning a large range of sizes in both metric and SAE standards.